All right, so let's wrap this up. So we got this case put together on here. You can print a centerpiece or middle piece that's a remix version 2 that'll allow for a larger battery. Basically has a larger compartment, but I'm gonna do this one for now. It's got that 1100 milliamp hour, and I've had previous comments that basically said that that they get decent battery life out of it, so we'll give that a test. I am, like I said, printing the other one just if I do want to do a future upgrade. The antenna I'm using is kind of what I've standardized here, and it's the one I get off of DigiKey. There's been testing done on these. They got good testing, and I'll put a link to these antennas. Just note, if you're looking for an antenna, unless you've done something different to the configuration of your lower device, it's the standard SMA male is what you need. Link down below, just so, and that's not an affiliate link, that's just where I buy them. So all in all, I think it'll be pretty cool. I may look around for a stubbier antenna, something good or maybe something more flexible like this style, just to make it a little more versatile for like pocket carry and whatnot. But we're going to give it some use, and I'll come back and let you guys know how it works out for us. Flashing, I use the instructions off Meshtastic, I believe. If I got them somewhere else, I'll put a link down below. Unlike this guy, the T-Beam Supreme, that took quite a bit of work, and the instructions that I found on Meshtastic did not work for me. So I ended up finding the instructions on the discourse group, Meshtastic discourse group. So a link for that also down below. You can check out our website, which a lot of these links and stuff are there, which is theravenwoodacres.com, link in the video. You can also come over and join our Telegram group, link in the video, and ask those questions there. I'm putting together a couple different topics areas. One will be a resource topic area with a lot of the links and stuff to where I go find this information, just to kind of give you guys a little bit of a one-stop shop. You can share what's going on with your projects. You can collaborate with each other, build communities, whatever. It is an open group, and well, I'm technically private with the invite link you can get over there. So subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with what's going on here. Follow us via our other social media links are linked below, and stay tuned for more videos.